Mother Nature does a much better job watering even houseplants. So I've got 8 Christmas cactuses here, 6 of which I rooted from existing Christmas cacti that I purchased. Can't remember which one was which. But as long as it's well above freezing, right now it's pushing right around 60. We got a little bit of a cool front here, but that's okay. We've had a front coming in from the East Coast for a change. Usually it comes from the west. And I am taking advantage by soaking my Christmas cactuses in the rain. Rain will carry elements from the sky and water them in. I will have to fertilize and probably do a little cutting back on some of the ones that are a little bit more gangly than others. And then tomorrow when it dries off a little bit, I put them back inside, maybe give them a little actual fertilizer. And then they're good for a little while longer. And then you can repeat. I have in the past put my Christmas cactuses outside during the summer, just somewhere where it's sheltered, doesn't get a lot of sun, because they do get sunburned pretty quickly. My mom puts hers under, she's got a deck that faces the south, and it gets a little bit more sun than I like, but it's still surviving. But so tip for the day: let Mother Nature do your soaking.